Now we are going to learn how to fix a chopper. As you can see, the string is broken of the chopper. We are going to take the lid off, and now we are going to unscrew the two screws. After removing, set the two screws aside. We are going to take a screwdriver and open the cap of the lid. Now you can see the white string has left some dust behind. We are going to take the white lid off. Now we are going to take the white string off. The marked area you have to put down and the unmarked area you should put up. Now take the two broken strings and measure the new string. Cut the measured area. Now insert the string into the hole. You should tie a knot at the end and insert the string into the other hole. Pull the string out. Take the white lid and put it on top and roll the new string. Put the orange cap. Take the screws and screw. Now take the small lid off. Take out the old string. And insert the new string. Tie a knot. Put the lid back on. Now we are going to put some onions. Now it works.